A very good morning to all of you, my wonderful students, more the merrier, my fantastic faculty. It's a great honor to be standing here as the first speaker for today's sessions. You know, precisely a year ago, I was standing at this very place, on this very podium, and honest to God, I was very clueless about what the next year was going to be for me. मैं उतना ही clueless थी जितने कि आपके जैसे बच्चे जो आए थे उस साल हमारे साथ जुड़ने, हमारा 24-25 वाला बैच, 25 वाला बैच सॉरी, वो जितने clueless थे उनसे ज़्यादा clueless मैं थी, because that was my first day as the Dean of the India Today Media Institute. After 27 years of active journalism, I had decided to step back and move into academics. तो जितनी उनके मन में अनसर्टनिटी और पैल्पिटेशन थी उससे ज़्यादा मेरे मन में थी. एक साल पूरा हुआ है, कैसे गुजर गया मुझे नहीं पता. We've just been working, you know, we have not been thinking, we've just been working, we've been acting, we have been creating, we have been innovating, and this team who you are meeting today and me, we have just been working, right? तो हमको सोचने का बहुत मौका नहीं मिला. तो कल जब मैं बैठी तो मुझे लगा कि यार कभी बैठ के सोचा ही नहीं क्या किया क्या नहीं किया. तो बच्चन साहब की हरिवंश राय बच्चन साहब की कुछ पंक्तियां मन में आई उस समय कि जीवन की आपाधापी में कब वक्त मिला, कुछ देर कहीं पर बैठ कभी ये सोचूं, जो किया कहा माना उसमें भला बुरा कितना. तो हमारे साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ. एक साल हम बिल्कुल सोच नहीं पाए, लेकिन कल मैंने, क्योंकि मुझे आपकी इस इंटरेक्शन के लिए तैयारी करनी थी, तो मैंने वो समय सिर्फ उस इंटरेक्शन की तैयारी में दिया और सोचा कि व्हाट आर न्यू बिगिनिंग्स ऑल अबाउट. क्योंकि मैं अपनी नई बिगनिंग के बारे में सोच रही थी और आपकी नई बिगनिंग के बारे में सोच रही थी. तो कुछ वर्ड्स मेरे दिमाग में कौन दे, और हम आजकल उनको कीवर्ड्स कहते हैं, क्योंकि आप लोग डिजिटल भी पढ़ेंगे तो आपको पता होगा, कुछ को पता होगा, जो नए स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो सीखेंगे कि जब वेबसाइट डिज़ाइन की जाती है तो उसमें SEO, सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन का बहुत ध्यान रखा जाता है. और सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन कीवर्ड्स पे बेस्ड होती है. अगर आपके वेब पेज में, आपकी वेबसाइट में वो कीवर्ड्स हैं तो आपकी वेबसाइट रैंक करेगी, यू नो, इट विल डू वेल. तो ये जो कीवर्ड्स मैं आज आपके पास छोड़ के जा रही हूँ, अगर आप इनको अपने साथ ले जाएंगे, अगर आप इनको उसी तरह पिन करेंगे जैसे आप अपने व्हाट्सएप, इंस्टाग्राम और पिंटरेस्ट में पोस्ट को पिन करते हैं, तो शायद आपकी जो जर्नी है उसमें थोड़ी सी सहूलियत होगी आपको. यू विल probably find it a little more smoother if you just take these words back with you. So आदत से मजबूर I'm going to present because आपको पता है टीचर्स की एक प्रॉब्लम होती है कि वो जब निकल जाते हैं तो वो निकल जाते हैं. तो इसलिए it's always nice to have a slide which keeps you rooted to what you want to say. So I prefer to present with those slides. So Ranu sir, if you can help me put up my first slide. तो जब मैं न्यू बिगिनिंग्स के बारे में सोच रही थी, I think the first thing that came to mind was the clicker. And then, of course, talking about new journeys, you know, they are a beautiful window to profound experiences, provided we are not too focused only on the destination. You have to learn to enjoy the journey. So I think the first thing about new beginnings is please don't get too bogged down by where you're going to land. Just enjoy the journey, okay? New beginnings, they always start with a choice that we make. मैंने जब पिछले साल अपना करियर मूव किया था तो it was a choice that I exercised. And interestingly मेरे करियर में ये काफ़ी हुआ है, क्योंकि I trained for print, I moved on to digital, I did a little bit of a stint with the radio. Then I moved on to social media, as Neha ma'am was telling you, and of course now academics. तो मेरा ग्राफ जो है बहुत ही अतरंगा सा रहा है, but that's the beauty of life. And what I want to tell you here is that life is basically a sum total of the choices that you make, when you decide things. तो मेरे केस में ये चॉइस लास्ट ईयर मैंने एक्सरसाइज की, आपने भी एक चॉइस एक्सरसाइज की है इस साल by selecting an industry. You have selected a university, a course, an institute. It is a huge decision that you've taken. I want to congratulate you because I know for sure that this is a wonderful decision. It will not let you down. ये इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है कि इसमें सीखने का मौका सारी इंडस्ट्री से ज़्यादा है, because there is no one domain. You can learn anything under the sun. You can be curious about anything under the sun. Okay? चॉइस एक्सरसाइज करना ज़रूरी है, लेकिन चॉइस एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए करेज की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. एक नई शुरुआत के लिए हमेशा आपको एक करेज की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. एंड आई कैन टेल यू दैट आई नो फॉर श्योर दैट आप में से कई लोग भारत के बहुत अलग अलग हिस्सों से यहाँ पढ़ने आए हैं. Some of you have left home for the first time. You are away from your family for the first time. There were people who tried to deter you. I was talking to some students, our degree students last week, and there were some students who were saying that लोग कह रहे थे मीडिया में जाके क्या करोगे, मीडिया में क्या रह गया है. It's very easy to take that pessimistic approach on something, but if you really want to make a change and do something, just jump into that area and make it better. Okay? So you fought those perceptions about media, and the fact that you are sitting here in this room means that you exercised a choice and you showed the courage to actually go through with it. You did not get deterred by any of those thoughts that would have come into your mind. Also, while we are on the subject, I want to tell you, आप लोग family से अलग या दूर हो सकते हैं, लेकिन मेरी faculty and I, we are your extended family. We are always here for you to approach. आपको कोई भी problem हो, personal, professional, anything you need help with, we are all here. We are here to serve you. Okay? When you think of choice and you think of courage, then there is the thing कि क्या हर choice जो आपने बहुत courageously ली हो, वो हमेशा ठीक होती है? तो उसका आंसर है कि नहीं. If you are making a choice, you are showing the courage to make a choice, but that choice is not chosen mindfully. If it is a mindless choice, you will fall on your face. It will be a wrong decision. Therefore, courage ज़रूरी है, लेकिन decision लेने में mindfulness उससे भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And I'm presuming that क्योंकि आप यहाँ बैठे हैं, आपने बहुत रिसर्च किया होगा, आपने कोर्सेज देखे होंगे, आपने इंस्टीट्यूट्स देखे होंगे, आपने कॉलेजेस देखे होंगे, और फाइनली आफ्टर ऑल दैट रिसर्च you landed up here, right? I think in my own case also, when I made the switch, I was very mindful of what I'm doing. It's not easy to drop everything that you've created and you have worked for umpteen years. You just drop it like a hot pancake and you just move on. It's a very courageous choice and it's a very mindful choice. Because अगर वो choice mindful नहीं होती तो आज मैं इतना खुश होके यहाँ address नहीं कर रही होती. I would have had some regret that मैंने उस समय ठीक से सोचा नहीं, right? So mindfulness is very important. आप जो भी करें, please, even in future, make sure that it's a mindful choice. Well, mindfulness तक strategy होती है. उसके बाद I think you really need to get into action. अब हो गया, आपने decide कर लिया, आप यहाँ हैं. लेकिन अगर आप उस decision पे बैठे रहेंगे and you're not acting on that decision, then I think it can't take you very far. और इसमें I want to bring in a very different perspective of how I understand the Gita. आपको पता है महाभारत हमारा सबसे बड़ा epic, the most wise text, I should say, in the universe. Most of the West is borrowing from it. They're making it their own and giving it names, but effectively it is all Gita. It is all about karma. And my perspective on that is कि देखिए Lord Krishna was the God himself और वो अर्जुन के साथ खड़े थे. तो क्या आपको लगता है कि अगर वो चाहते तो वो हर एक डिसीजन पांडवों के फेवर में नहीं ला सकते थे? He was the God. He had to move his little finger and everything would fall into place for the Pandava clan. But he took all the effort. मतलब 18 अध्याय का विजडम उन्होंने वहाँ बैठ के अर्जुन को समझाया और most of it was around karma, action. So that only goes to say that if you do not act, even the gods cannot help you. आपको blessings और success और achievement तभी मिलेगा जब आप उसके लिए कर्म करने के लिए तैयार होंगे. तो इस बात को हमेशा याद रखिएगा. If you do not put in your effort, nothing nice and fruitful will come your way, because गीता का सार यही है. और जब गीता में कहा जाता है कि कर्म करो और फल की इच्छा मत करो, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको फल मिलेगा नहीं. It is just another way of saying that if you are focused on your action, you don't have to worry about the outcome because the outcome is there for you. But if you don't focus on the action, then anyway thinking about the outcome or the फल की इच्छा तो फिर वैसे ही doesn't make sense, right? So action, very important. Well, commitment to the process. जब नई चीज़ आप कोई शुरू करते हैं, कोई नई जर्नी शुरू करते हैं, आप कोई ट्रिप प्लान करते हैं, you have to be totally committed to that activity. Otherwise, you'll really face a very tough time when you get into a new place or a new situation, travel requirements, staying requirements, eating requirements, cultural requirements. So commitment to the process of what you have chosen is very important. And when I say that, I'm not saying कि आप बस पढ़ने आए हैं तो पढ़ते रहिए. Just make sure that you are studying, you're giving your assignments in time, you're doing your activities in time. That's exactly not what I'm saying. मेरा मतलब ये है कि आप जब यहाँ आए हैं और ज़िंदगी शुरू कर रहे हैं तो अगर आप if it's a movie night, just make the most of it. Be with that activity of going for the movie. If you are exploring the places around you, new places around you, please be 100% into it. If you're making new friends, if you're developing connections, please give your 100% to those connections and those activities. Because जब तक आप 100% engagement के साथ किसी चीज़ में नहीं जाएंगे, आपको achievements नहीं मिलेगी. And if I draw a parallel to my own experience, when I came to ITMI, I knew that it's a new beginning. I just got consumed. I got consumed by the ethos of ITMI. I got consumed by the faculty and their requirements. I got consumed by the students, their challenges, their abilities, their aspirations, everything. Their mental wellness. I just got totally consumed in that process. And उस feeling की वजह से वो जो मैंने एक meditative engagement create की अपने job के आसपास, तो उससे we have had a resounding success because the team fell into place, the strategy fell into place, everything fell into place because there was 100% involvement, there was 100% engagement. We were not distracted, right? So whatever you are doing, please make sure that you are 100% into that activity, just that activity. I know that most people tell you multitask karo, multitasking is the way of the world, but I will strongly suggest that single-minded focus is the way of the world. Multitasking really messes up with your life. Okay? And of course, I really love this thing. The present is life. All else is either memory or imagination. That's because या तो past है जो एक memory है, और future तो imagination है, आपने देखा नहीं क्या होने वाला है. तो आपके पास जो है वो सिर्फ present है. Therefore, living in this moment 100% is all that is in your hand. बाकी कुछ आपके हाथ में नहीं है. आप इस एरिया में आए हैं, नया एरिया है, कुछ के लिए नया है, डिग्री स्टूडेंट्स के लिए नया है, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए शायद कुछ इनिशिएशन हुआ हो मीडिया में, कम्युनिकेशन में, जर्नलिज्म में. लेकिन अगर आप क्यूरियस नहीं हैं, इफ़ यू डोंट हैव दैट क्यूरियोसिटी, इफ़ यू डोंट हैव अ क्वेश्चन अराउंड एवरीथिंग, आप यहाँ जितना सब कुछ देख रहे हैं, ये सब देख के आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आना चाहिए कि ये क्या है, ये क्या है. ब्रांडिंग में हम इतना टाइम क्यों लगा रहे थे, हम क्यों कह रहे थे कि इसको ऐसे करो वैसे करो. दोज क्वेश्चंस ये कौंधने चाहिए आपके दिमाग में. यू नो, व्हेन आई टुक द जॉब, आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड विद द प्रोमाइस कि मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता है. आई एम absolutely nil as far as academics is concerned. And therefore I started work. I got curious. I had hundreds of questions for the team. I irritated them with my questions. Some of them were dumb, some of them were stupid, some of them were forward-looking. But, you know, they were always there to answer those questions and satisfy that curiosity that I had about this, about the system, about the institute, about the students, about the ecosystem, about education in general. So, you know, that curiosity takes you to the next level. That is another name for learning. आप जितना curious होगे, आप उतना ज़्यादा सीखोगे, and that is what will actually take you to the next level, right? So never give up on curiosity. Please make sure that you are absolutely nagging your faculty with your questions, and make sure that they know that you also know. Okay? Albert Einstein ने कहा था, I have no special talents. I'm just passionately curious. If that was the man, then you know how important it is. You know, stating my own example, when we actually started discussing where we wanted to take ITMI, there were hundreds of things we wanted to do. You know, when you start a new thing, in a new beginning, there are 100 possibilities, right? You get inundated, overwhelmed. आपको समझ में नहीं आता कि कैसे मैनेज करें. तो आपके साथ भी ये होने वाला है. I am forewarning you that there will be so much happening. I think the degree students already know there is so much of hyperactivity क्योंकि इनकी classes start हो चुकी हैं, that you know, you won't know what hit you. It will be difficult to absorb all that is happening around you. There will be changes in personal life, there will be changes in your lifestyle, there will be changes in your academic schedules. Please learn to prioritize. You know, that's what we did. We created lists. You know, I set up goals for myself, goals for the team, goals for ITMI. We set up short-term goals, we set up long-term goals. We strategized, we prioritized. That's the most important word. आप 24 घंटे दिन में कम नहीं होते हैं. आप अगर 12, 13, 14 घंटे भी सो गए, उसके बाद भी आपके पास बहुत समय है to prioritize what's important in life. Most of the time, well, what happens, Netflix की एक सीरीज शुरू हो जाती है, उसके बाद दूसरा एपिसोड, तीसरा, चौथा, पांचवा, and you are just bed rotting for the entire Saturday, Sunday, and suddenly Monday आ जाता है and you're stuck, right? So am I saying that please don't Netflix? No, I'm not saying that. I'm encouraging you to be on the OTT platforms, and there can be nothing more educating than the right content that you choose on OTT platforms. It's absolutely beautifully educational. It is infotainment. But please don't take it to the extreme of bed rotting. Okay? prioritize the time when you will be doing that, and you will be doing your assignments, and you will be moving out with friends, you will be going for a movie, you will have discussions, debates with your friends. Choose the right community around you. There's a very nice thing. I want you to just read through this if you haven't already. It breaks the myth of the word time management. Because हमारी कोई औकात नहीं है कि हम टाइम को मैनेज करें. It is the time that manages us, right? So टाइम मैनेजमेंट आप नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन आप टास्क मैनेजमेंट कर सकते हैं. You can prioritize your tasks, right, and manage them better. We come to a very important facet, which is basically आप इसको communication कह लीजिए, PR कह लीजिए, interpersonal skills कह लीजिए, community कह लीजिए. It's basically all the same, because now that you are starting afresh, आपके आसपास लोग बदल गए हैं, आपका पूरा ही परिप्रेक्ष्य बदल गया है, तो you have to make sure that you create a community around yourself. There has to be a community of 2 or 3 or 4 people around you, the right kind of people, not the wrong kind of people. Very important, because कई लोग होते हैं वो इतने entitled होते हैं, वो कोर्स में आना उनके लिए मजबूरी नहीं होता, वो एक पास टाइम होता है. तो उनके लिए कोई मसला नहीं कि वो क्लासेस नहीं जा रहे, वो असाइनमेंट नहीं दे रहे, बिकॉज they probably have to go and pick up a family business or whatever. So you will find those kind of people also. So you will have to really be very careful about how you select your community. When I started the new role, I spent a lot of time understanding my team. I was constantly studying them, constantly. And I was studying them for their strengths, because nobody better than me knows that if you have to work in a team, you have to actually maximize the strength of each of your team member. And please note that I did not mention the word weakness, because I know that I am not Miss Perfect myself. So I do not focus on people's weaknesses. I try to focus on people's strengths. And when you do that, it just creates magic in a team. So please, of course, you will hear a lot of all this in your positive psychology classes, which is basically going to be talking about strengths, positivity, and there'll be no scope for negativity being discussed there. So we will take it up when we get there, but develop a community around you, create buddies, make sure that you have friends, okay? Not frenemies, but friends. Not the people जो आपको बिगाड़ने के लिए आपके साथ चिपक जाएंगे. Please be very careful about how you choose. I think this is probably the last one, and it's the most important one, because when you start something new, तो बहुत सारे sentiments जो होते हैं, emotions जो होते हैं, they are more pulling you down than pushing you up. There is a little bit of anxiety, there's a little bit of uncertainty about the future. You come with lots of baggage of boundaries and ideologies and value systems, and sometimes when they are shaken up, so you actually find it very difficult to cope up with that, right? Coping up is a little bit of a problem, and especially I think our generation was a little more hardy when it came to coping up, but the next generation is very sensitive. You guys are extremely emotional people, and therefore we have to make sure that you use that emotion, as I said, towards a positive outcome, and don't get really bogged down by things that are happening. कभी कभी थोड़ा सा लचीलापन दिखाना पड़ता है. You have to be flexible. You cannot say कि ओहो मेरी आइडियोलॉजी तो ये है, अब इसके अलावा तो मैं कुछ पढ़ूंगा ही नहीं. मैं वही न्यूज़ चैनल देखूंगा जो मेरी आइडियोलॉजी को सूट करता है, मैं वही आर्टिकल्स कंज्यूम करूंगी जो मेरी आइडियोलॉजी को सूट करते हैं. तो अगर ऐसा कुछ है तो उसको आज इसी हॉल में छोड़ के बाहर निकलिएगा, क्योंकि यू जस्ट हैव टू ओपन योर सेल्फ टू लर्निंग. जो लोग आपको यहाँ पढ़ाएंगे वो लोग अपने आप में पूरी एक लाइफ टाइम की एक्सपीरियंस लेके आएंगे और उनकी पूरी कोशिश होगी कि वो एक्सपीरियंस वो आपके साथ शेयर करें. एंड इफ़ यू आर स्मार्ट, if you're intelligent, you will not let that opportunity go waste. You know, every word that they say, hang on to it because it comes from experience. It's not from the books. It's from the industry experience, right? And that is why our course is also special because we have practitioners teaching you. तो इस बात का ज़रूर ध्यान रखिएगा कि पूरी तरह से अपने आप को लर्निंग के लिए just open all your windows. Don't be closed, right? There are some of our students from the last batch who were sitting here, and I had used a word last time in the orientation, and I had said अपने आप को गीली मिट्टी बना लीजिए, और वो गीली मिट्टी वाला word जो है वो बहुत सारे students के साथ चिपक गया. You know, they kept coming back to me and saying कि मैम वो एक word जो है वो हमको हमेशा याद रह गया, because आप गीली मिट्टी होंगे तो आपको चिज़ल करने वाला हर एक शख्स जो आपके सामने से गुजरेगा वो आपको एक आकार देगा. दे विल वर्क ऑन यू. ओके, सो कीप योर सेल्फ लाइक दैट. आई लव दिस. यू नो, द ओक फॉट द विंड एंड वॉज ब्रोकन बिकॉज वो लचीला नहीं होता. ओक का जो ट्री होता है वो बहुत स्टिफ रिजिड वुड होता है. और द विलो बेंट when it must and survived. और जो विलो है उसको हवा स्टॉर्म जो भी आए उसको अगर थोड़ा सा झुकना पड़ा, उसको अगर थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट करना पड़ा, उसमें इतनी रेजिलियंस होती है कि वो अपनी जड़ नहीं छोड़ता. तो आपको भी अपनी जड़ नहीं छोड़नी है. दिस वन इज़ अ लिटिल ऑफ फ्रॉम आवर थीम ऑफ न्यू बिगिनिंग्स टुडे बिकॉज compassion does not directly correlate to a new beginning always, but compassion correlates to everything in life. And this is my personal favorite. This is my personal request to you. You are starting off your life, college, university. That is the time when you start flowering as human beings, because abhi tak to aap मम्मी पापा भाई बहन इनकी छाया में पले हो. पहली बार आपको ये मौका मिलेगा कि आप सोसाइटी में एक इंडिविजुअल की तरह ऑपरेट करो, एज अ इंडिविजुअल एंटिटी ऑपरेट करो. तो यहाँ पे कंपैशन का शुरू होना बनता है. यू विल टिल नाउ यू वर डिपेंडेंट ऑन पीपल. Slowly people will start getting dependent on you, and that is where compassion must start. You know, there's this, I usually forget the name of, it's my favorite illustrative book. It's called The Boy and Horse, Mole and, okay, what's it called? The Boy and the Mole, the Fox and the Horse. You know, it's an illustrative book, and it's by Charlie Mackesy. उसमें से मैंने ये बोरो किया है, where it says, what do you want to be when you grow up? Kind, said the boy. Right? So probably this is, आप दुनिया में जो भी बन जाए, you become the who's who. If you're not kind, you've not become anybody. So the ultimate objective is to be kind and compassionate, and we will work on you. We will beat compassion into you for the time that you are with us, because हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव आपको सिर्फ एक अच्छा जर्नलिस्ट या मीडिया पर्सन या ब्रांड पर्सन या कम्युनिकेशन पर्सन बनाना नहीं है. हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि आप जब यहाँ से बाहर जाए तो आपको अपने आप में आई हुई जो तब्दीली है एज अ ह्यूमन वो ज़्यादा महसूस हो. यू ग्रो एज अ ह्यूमन, एज एन इंडिविजुअल, राइट? एंड लास्ट ऑफ ऑल, compassion is also being kind to yourself is one of the greatest kindness, right? So compassion is not just I'm telling you कि सबके लिए compassionate हो जाइए और अपने लिए अपने बारे में मत सोचिए. The kindness towards yourself is the best kindness, so don't be hard on yourself. If you don't have everything sorted out right now, that's okay. It's a very normal state to be in. Don't feel कि वो उसको तो पता है उसको क्या करना है, इसको पता है इसको क्या करना है, इसने तो इतने सारी चीज़ें की हुई है, मैंने तो अभी कुछ किया ही नहीं है, मेरे पास तो कोई सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं, मेरे पास तो कोई डिग्री नहीं, मेरे पास. That's immaterial. Don't think about it. Don't be harsh on yourself. You are starting, and this is all that is expected of you. That you are freshers, you're going to start learning, you're going to start creating, you're going to start building. Nobody expects you to come with an edifice of knowledge and achievements. We are here to help you get there. We don't expect you to have come with them. So please don't be harsh on yourself. I think that is all I have to say to you. We really want to extend a very, very, very warm welcome. And, I believe in these. I told the degree course, I believe in the Disney hugs. So I'm sending a big Disney hug towards all of you because I want you to see us as companions and not as somebody who you cannot come and talk to or interact with. So, welcome to the family, and thank you very much for being such a wonderful audience.